All right. Now, last but certainly not the least, let's call on stage contestant number 3, representing Bulacan, Mr. Jerome Mutia
Hi,
Jr.
ako nga po pala si Jerome Mutia, 26 years old, taga Bulacan. Nalaman ko po yung contest dahil po sa dati po ako nag-work dito sa One. So, nag-part-time po ako dito at nirecommend po ako ng mga kasama ko. So, sa aking mga mahal sa buhay, sa aking mga pamilya, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Yung mga kakantahin ko po ngayon ay para sa inyo, lalo na po sa aking mga anak at sa aking asawa.
Okay. Once again, let's give it up for Mr. Jerome Mutia Jr. All right. So, Jerome, how do you feel tonight?
Kinakabahan po.
Okay, kinakabahan. Don't worry. I feel like that's normal. So, I'll ask you the same question. Who are you with tonight? Sino ang kasama natin ngayon?
Mga kaibigan ko po. Kaibigan. Family po, nasa likod po.
Okay, friends and family. So, is this also your first time competing both internationally or locally?
First time po kumanta. Kahit sa ano.
Okay, first time kumanta kahit saan. Okay, so since first time ni Mr. Jerome, can we give him another big round of applause? Okay, are you ready? Okay, you're never ready. You will never be ready. So let's just push you there. Okay, so our third contestant for tonight, representing Bulacan, Mr. Jerome Mutia Jr.
Hey. Pagkat hindi kami magkasundo, ito pa agong magmamahal. Nangarap ko na tayo ay magtatagal. Ano ba ang dapat kong gawin? Sana
Okay, once again, we have Jerome Mutia Jr. Judges?
Hi, Jerome. Ang gagaling ng contestants natin, in fairness. Congratulations, the wand. Let's give a warm of applause for the wand. Okay, kasi ang galing. Nasala po yung mga contestants ngayon. Ang gagaling nila. So, Jerome, I really felt the performance that you just did, okay?
Salamat
And it's really a heartfelt performance, okay? The voice quality, it was very good. I love the emotions when you're performing. And yeah, the stage presence is there.
Salamat.
So keep it up.
Oh, thank you po.
So congratulations in advance for the second round. I hope
Thank
you
you po. Thank you po.
in. Okay? Congratulations. Okay, hello Jerome.
Opo.
All right. Okay. Very sentimental and powerful vocal for me.
Thank you po.
Although good song choice. Although medyo merong konting flat. Siguro nadala ka ng emotions mo. But then hope you can sing the second. I mean, you can go to the second round.
Thank you.
All right. Yun lang. But then overall, just keep it up. Okay?
Thank you
Congratulations.
po. Thank you po. Salamat po.
All right, once again, Mr. Jerome Mutia Jr. Thank you, contestant number 3. And of course, thank you also to both of our esteemed judges. Once again, a round of applause for Miss Erna Hernandez and Miss Ara Prosianos.